Minimum number of vectors of equal magnitude required to produce a zero resultant is. We have to find a number of vectors with the help of which we can produce zero resultant. Suppose we have considered vectors a vector and b vector. Two vectors a vector and b vector of same magnitude. Magnitude can be represented with the help of modulus. Suppose magnitude of these two vectors is equal to a. So we have to find can these two vectors can produce a zero resultant. So we will see with the help of a diagram. Suppose a vector is represented by this. Suppose this is a vector. So a vector is represented like this. Now we will use second vector in just opposite direction. Here we have seen magnitude of both vectors are equal. If we draw in opposite direction, then they will cancel each other. Suppose vector b is plotted from same point in opposite direction. This is representing vector b. So with the help of these two vectors, we can easily see resultant can be 0. But on one condition, that is direction of these two vectors should be opposite. Magnitude are equal but direction should be opposite. So minimum number of vectors required to produce zero resultant, it will be 2. So answer of this question is 2. Thank you.